Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing these beautiful sparkly nails. They're holographic ombre, like falling glitter, looks like diamonds on your nails, and it can be perfect for wedding or any event that you want to rock your nails. But first you want to start with applying any sheer nail polish onto your nails. You want to do one coat. I used this one by Wet n Wild, and you can see it, like it's very sheer, but I like it because it's perfect for this type of design. So you want to apply one coat and let it fully dry. As you can see here in the video, it's fully dried, and I applied it already. But now we're going in with a fine, like holographic glitter. This is the one that I'm using, and you can use any of your choice, just it has to be fine holographic glitter. You want to remove as much as polish from your brush, and then you want to go into your nails but concentrating onto the tip. And then once you don't have enough of nail polish on, then you can get towards the cuticles as well. As you can see on the video, that is what I'm doing. I'm not dipping my brush anymore onto the, like in the bottle. I'm just making sure that everything is as nicely as I want it, and that it's actually giving you that falling effect of like glitter, in this case holographic glitter. Then I'm taking chunkier holographic glitter that I have, and I will write all nail polishes that I used in the description box, but I'm concentrating, as you can see, on the tip of my nail. That is where you want to be like concentrated to have most of your glitter. So that's why I'm applying it there, as you can see. And obviously I'm not gonna leave it like that, because once you apply it, you can actually work with glitter and drag it up towards the cuticle area, which is something that I will do, but not too much. You don't want to go all the way up towards the cuticle area. You just kind of want to blend everything in and make it like all flow seamlessly. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm fixing it, making sure that everything is how I imagine it, that is like falling diamonds. I love diamonds. Then I have this little thing, like jar of some crystals and some like glitter, I guess, and I will pick this little tiny glitter and apply it onto my nail just for some extra detail, because it gives you that something. So I'm applying clear nail polish that doesn't dry very fast, and I will add these tiny little like glitters. They're very nice. They're not holographic, but they're like something like mermaidy, something like that. Very pretty, very like simple, and something that will, like, you will not think to add it onto your nails like this, but actually gives you gorgeous effect. But now look at this. Once I apply a top coat, it just kind of blends everything together, and you can see it that actually grabs everything together and makes it look like a glass, and that you have the glitter at the end of your tips and actually hollow, but it's actually like diamonds. To me, it's so pretty, so pretty, and so easy to do. So you can wear it if you have any event or even wedding, which is what I would wear it for, or just any day. It just really depends what kind of mood you're in. I always love sparkly stuff, and I love hollow. So yeah, that would be it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Leave me a comment below, and as I always say, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.